It means that you have set an example. You are the example. You're the epitome of the soldier and the NCO. You have gone far and above and beyond what is just the basic requirements. You have set yourself apart.
I'm just trying to do my best because it's just something inside of me saying, hey, you know, it's not, you know, just because I want to lose. It's the fact that I just want to win, that I want to be good at it. That's what inspires me, just putting a challenge in front of me and just saying, okay, there you go do it. And I'll say, okay, I'll do it to the best of my ability and I'll get it done.
In my opinion, it's like no other competition, to include the Department of Armies. We're going to put you to the test. We're going to test everything that you have. You're going to be tested on your warrior task and battle drills. There are going to be mystery events that you do not know of what they're coming for soldier and NCO levels. So we're going to be testing you on different skill levels. We're going to test your endurance. You're not going to know your placement and your scoring. You're going to have to give from your heart, and that's what I want to see is it the soldiers and NCOs that go the extra distance.
Somebody once told me that it's not the size of the individual, it's not how strong he is, how fast he is, it's about the size of his heart. And I always thought that I have a big heart, I'm very motivated, and I believe that I could represent a squad DA.
I like the way the schedule goes. It's long days. It's the way a best warrior competition is supposed to be. You know, it's not supposed to be an event and rest, an event and rest. It's supposed to be back to back to back to back to back, because that really pushes people that might, you know, succeed in a more calm environment. You know, this tests a lot more than mental endurance. I like that.
It's like, okay, no cram session the night before. You're not just going to be able to look into a book and say, okay, this is what I'm going to have to do tomorrow and forget it the next day. No, they throw it out to you randomly. You have no idea what's coming next. It could be anything.
We're not challenging them with something that they shouldn't be able to do. This is your basic warrior tasks and battle drills, skill level 1. That's what the soldier's going to do, 2 through 4 for your NCOs. These are things that are already in manuals that all soldiers should be able to do. And we're not going above and beyond that. This is a training exercise. They should be able to do all these things, and it showcases their experience, their abilities, and tests them on their knowledge and experience.
Hey brother, way to run in, dude. I knew you were right behind me.
I like all of the improvements, the added events, the realism that they've obviously put a lot of thought into. You know, it's good to know that people are taking something like this seriously and are really trying to present good training and a fair competition and cultivate skill, because that's really what it's all about when you're competing. You cultivate a skill and then you display it in an arena.
Yesterday was awesome. It was definitely not a normal Monday for me, that's for sure. I was very excited to do a lot of stuff that I haven't had the opportunity to, and do stuff again that I've only done once or twice before. It was a lot of fun.
I mean, this is a great training opportunity that, especially at headquarters for a brigade, I don't get a lot of chance to do. So it's great to get here and challenge myself. That's my main goal, is to challenge myself and improve myself out here.
They got me breathing hard. This is a good, they set up good training, good courses.
You need to look at those soldiers and NCOs around you, to your left and to your right, because those are the best of the best also, just as you are. And right now, you're the average. You are no longer the best of the best. You are in the company of all the others that have won at their levels as well. So what are you going to do to separate yourself from them and win our competition?